All right. Oh yeah. Let's do something. Let's make the limbs. Instead of making them black, let's make them dark green. I see a black branch and I want to paint it green. Alright. I think it looks like trees. So at the end, I think I'm gonna blur out these trees because they're in the background. So I'm gonna wait until I merge all those layers together and then I can blur them all at the same time. But until then, let's do some of this. Here, let's just go to this thing. Now we'll get rid of this blue layer. So if you're wondering why the blue layer looks so janky, it's because I didn't learn from my mistakes on page 13. I saved page number 4 badly. I saved it at the wrong resolution. So you know what that means. I had to redraw all the ink lines. So the good news is that this is one of the pages that were my very first, and I was more worried about making these pages fast than making them good. And so that means the ink lines were more simplified. More simplified than my later drawings. It's a small bush. If only I could find a different brush. Let's see what happens when I do this. Moment. Let's drop it down. That's not the look I want. Still not the look I want. What about this? Well, so I found this software called Rebel 7, and the kind of work that you can do with Rebel 7 looks straight out of an oil palette, like Bob Ross kind of stuff. This is Clip Studio Paint. It's good for what it is. It's pretty good actually. I do enjoy using it, but it is limited as to what it can do. When you put paint on a brush, there's only one solid color that comes off of your brush. What am I thinking? What am I thinking? Yeah, let's go back to the original brush. No. Yes, no, yes, no. Original brush. Original brush. Let's see what that does. Oh. Why is it so big? Here we go. Ad break. Ad break is coming in 1 minute and 21 seconds. I think I did that wrong. Just a little bit over here on the side. This is the middle. So even though a bush is individual branches and individual leaves, I still want to think about the overall shape, the overall roundness of the bush. So it's going to be darker on the dark side of the bush than it is going to be on the light side of the bush. And see what's going on here. Start with the darkest green. So at first, I'm just going to do everything dark green.